Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Rich Post. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you how to create test cases in Angular 13 application using Jasmine. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. So first, see on my screen Angular is working fine with test console Jasmine, and now I will write one dummy test case. So guys, here we go. Guys, see, here is my Angular project, and I have opened app.component.spec.ts file, in which I will write down my dummy test case. So like suppose I will write down it should have users, means I will check my test case that I am having users or not. Guys, for this I am writing a code, see, and now I will make one dummy array variable users data is equal to insert array. I will write Ajay this one. So guys, see, here is my dummy test case. Now I'll write down expect user data to contain value Ajay or not. I will save it. Now I will see in the content. See guys, now we don't have any error. Now go back to code and check. Now I will enter wrong name, save it, and now I will see again in Angular console. See guys, now I'm getting array. See, expected these names to contain this one. And guys, now I will check my array length, like remove it, expect user data dot length. There will be equal to, save it, and now we check in the console. See, don't have any error, means length is fine. And now I will write down the wrong length, like 3, and save it. Now we will go to console and see. The error came, means the test case fails. So guys, have you seen how we can write down dummy test case in our Angular 13 application? And guys, I will come with more demos like this, and if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details in this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.